In this video, I am going to provide you with an idea how you can design a flared stairway. This would be at the bottom of the stairway. It's a section of the stairway that would curve out or flare out. Now, first thing I want to do is just give you an idea what a straight set of stairs looks like, the floor plan and the stairway. Now let's draw some lines on the floor. And in this example, we are going to go with 1/4 of a circle. We're going to need a center point on all of our flared curves. So we're going to need to locate this somewhere. And I'm going to provide you with one other example, but you should be able to get an idea from that how to design the stairway to create the flare. And you can locate the center of the circle in a variety of different spots to get a different design. So that is the nice thing about this. So here's our 1/4 of the circle that we are going to be using. And let's go ahead and zoom in on this. At a close-up, we can see the flare here. We just need to draw some lines. And you can extend the treads however you want. But I drew this stairway here. It's not going to be a bad idea to start with a stairway design like this. Start with some square treads, everything straight, then draw your curve, and then extend these lines across to create these steps. And that would look something like this. So we got rid of the lines that were going to be, or that were here originally, and have a flared layout. So again, straight, flared, not too difficult. This is the only section you're going to be modifying on a straight stairway. And it should look something like this when you build it. 2 different stairs. And again, the straight stairway is just here for an example to give you an idea. You know, you could take the straight stairway and start with that. You could lay everything out for a straight stairway, then build the flare, or you can do it all at once. You can draw the circle first, you can draw the bottom half first, whatever you want. My job is just to provide you with an idea how to do it. So here we have a large flared stairway, not going to be a real common stairway to see something like this. Kind of a less of a curve is probably going to be more common. Now let's go ahead and start with the straight stairway again. And then I will create my center point. I'm going to come out 5 feet, and then I'm going to line it up with the tread or the step here. Now yours, depending upon your stairway, whether you're going to line it up with the front of the riser, the back of the riser, the front of the nosing. If you have a nosing, a 1-inch overhang, something like that, you might need to line it up with that. So here we've lined it up with the tread, and we came out 5 feet. And then, of course, this is our circle. And obviously, you don't need to draw the whole circle in. This is just for education purposes. But you can see right here where we got a nice flare. And that's going to provide us with in my opinion, a better looking stairway. Straight on this side, straight until it flares out on this side. So not that difficult. Do your own experimenting, and move the center point to the circle wherever you want. Draw a couple of different things, and again, if you can design it on a piece of paper or on some computer software like this, then you won't have to do a lot of figuring out in the field. So anyway, that's it for a flared stairway. Don't forget to check out some of our other designs, and you know what to do with the old thumbs up button. If you like this video and you want to see more of them, hit the thumbs up button. And